Drop makeup remover on cotton pads. Remove makeups on face and neck. Operate for 3 minutes. Clean the face and the neck with face wash. Apply toner. Relax the face. Apply massage cream on face and neck evenly. Caress for 3 times. Move in circles with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from chin to earlobe. Press the Chengjiang REN24 and Yifeng TE17 for 3 times. Move with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from chin to the upper lip, and from upper lip to chin alternately. Like writing letter C. Press the Chengjiang REN24 and the Nenzhong DU26 for 3 times. Massage in circles from chin to ear gate. Press Dicang ST4, Jiace ST6, and Tinggong SI19. Massage in circles from nose wing to the temple. Press the Yinxiang LI20, Quanliao SI18, and the temple. Operate for 3 times. Massage in circles from nose wing to the inner corner of eye. Press the Bitong EM7, Jinmin BL1 from tip of the brow along the eyebrow bone to the outer corner of eye. Press Chuanzu BL2, Yuyao EM3, Sizukong TE23, Tongziliao GB1. Operate for 3 times. Move from the end of eye along the lower eyelid. Press the Qiuhou EM6, Chengqi ST1, Sibai ST2, Jinmin BL1. Operate for 3 times. Massage in circles at forehead from bottom to top, from the middle to both sides. Press 印堂 EM2, 神庭 DU24 at the tempo. Operate for 3 times. Then move from hairline to the chin with both hands. On one side, lift alternately with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from jawline to the cheek with tiny steps for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Put fingers together with both hands. Slide from 印堂 EM2 to the inner corner of eye, along the lower eyelid to the temple. Then slide from 精明 BL1 along the upper eyelid to the outer corner of eye. Operate for 3 times. Slide with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands. One hand at front, the other one at behind, as if writing 8. Operate for 3 times. On one side, lift with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands alternately from lower eyelid to the temple for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. On one side, lift alternately with both hands from chin to the temple, one line next to another, for 3 times. Lift from eye corner to hairline for 3 times. Lift from forehead to hairline for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Relax the neck. Rub and caress with both hands at the chest for 3 times. Lift with both hands alternately at the neck for 3 times. The customer lies on his or her side, then push 大半径 with both palms alternately for 3 to 5 times. Lift 大半径 alternately with 虎口 of both hands from up to down for 3 to 5 times. The customer lies flat. Slide and pluck 大半径 with one hand for 3 to 5 times. Rub 大半径 alternately to the back of the ear from the shoulder with both hands for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Apply essence on the face evenly. Please note, adjust the energy level according to one's feeling. Move upwards in small circles from the chin to the temple. Operate for 3 to 5 times. Lift from the chin to the earlobe, from the mouth corner to the ear gate, from the nose wing to the temple for 3 to 5 times. Please note, do not keep the RF probe at the same place for more than 3 seconds during the operation, otherwise the skin will get scalded. Combined with the hand, lift from the chin to the earlobe, from the mouth corner to the ear gate, from the nose wing to the temple for 3 to 5 times. Lift from the cheek to the hairline for 3 to 5 times. Lift from the forehead to the hairline for 3 to 5 times. Do the same to the other side. Lift from the lower eyelid to the temple for 3 to 5 times. Lift from the outer corner of the eye to the hairline for 3 to 5 times. Combined with hand, lift from the lower eyelid to the temple. Lift from the outer corner of the eye to the hairline for 3 to 5 times. Lift from the inner corner of the eye, along the upper eyelid to the tail of the brow for 3 to 5 times. Do the same to the other side. Apply eye mask and facial mask. Remove masks and clean the face. Care the skin.